welcome to the online mathematics class. Today in this class we will start the new chapter, that is the in our 7th class. It is the 4th chapter, that is the data handling. In the data handling, mainly we will discuss about the some of the definitions in the data handling. First we will discuss about the data handling. And second, we will discuss about the collection of the data. In the third, we will discuss about the organization of the data. And fourth, you will discuss about the what do you mean by the mean, definition of the mean, and the definition of the median, and the definition of the mode, and last, definition of the range. Mainly we will discuss these points in the data handling. First we shall discuss about the what do you mean by the data handling. First we shall discuss about the what do you mean by the data handling. The process of gathering, recording, and the presentation of the information to the people which help for them. It is called as the data handling. What do you mean by the data handling? The process of gathering and the recording and the presentation of the data or information to help the people. It is called as the data handling. It is a process of gathering, recording. It is a process of gathering, recording, and presenting the information for the use of the people. Is known as the data handling. What is the definition of the data handling? The process of, it is a process of gathering, you are recording and presenting the information for the use of the people is known as the data handling. And what do you mean by the data? Example 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. It is called as the data. And we shall discuss about the collection of the data. Second one, it is the first one. Second one, collection of the data. It is also one of the most important step in the data handling. We are collecting the data. For example, temperature of cities in Karnataka. First one, cities Second one is the temperature. In Karnataka. First, Vijayapur, its temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. And second, we are collecting the data from the every districts in the Karnataka or the cities in the Karnataka. We are making the tabular column. Bengaluru, its temperature is 35 degrees Celsius, and the Bidar 37 degrees Celsius, and the Raichuru 39 degrees Celsius. At last, Bagalkot, it is 36 degrees Celsius. What is the collection of the data? You are collecting the, for example, you take the temperature of the cities in Karnataka. You are collecting the temperature of the Karnataka, having the temperature from the every district or the cities of the Karnataka. For example, Vijayapur district having the 36 degrees Celsius, and Bengaluru having the 35 degrees Celsius, and Bidar 37, and Raichur 39 degrees Celsius. As same as Bagalkot having the 36 degrees. It is the collection of the data. And coming to the next one, presentation or organization of the data. Organization of data. What is the organization of the data? It is also one of the most important method in the data handling. Take for example, in the class, in the 7th class, take for example, in the 7th class, some of the 5 students they scored out of 25. First one is Ravi has scored 23 marks. As same that Akash scored 21 marks, and the Veena scored 19 marks. As same that Vinay scored 24 marks, as Rani scored 25 marks. And organization of the data. What is the organization data? We are making the tabular column. First we are making the roll number, name of the student, name of the student, name of the student, and total number of score, total score. We are making in a descending order. Who scored the highest marks? In the highest marks, first who scored the Rani scored the 25 marks, and second Vinay scored the 24 marks, and the Ravi scored the 23 marks, and the Akash scored the 21 marks, and we last Veena scored the 19 marks. You should make the tabular column in order in the descending order. Who scored the highest marks to the lowest score? First rule number 1, name of the student. Rani scored the 25 marks. He scored the out of 4 marks in the subject. And second one, Vinay scored 24 marks. Vinay scored 24 marks. As same that Ravi scored 23 marks. Ravi scored 23 marks. And Akash scored 21 marks. Akash scored 21 marks. And last, Veena scored 19 marks. What do you mean with organization data? Organization data means nothing but you are expressing in the tabular column. You are expressing in the tabular column. Already given the one example also. Next, we are discussing about the median. Next, we are discussing about the median. Next, we are discussing about the next we shall discuss about the mean or arithmetic mean. We also called as the mean or called as the average. Average. What do you mean by the mean? Mean is simply we can say that the mean is the sum of the groups in a number and divided by the total number of the number in a group. What do you mean by the mean definition? In a group, take for example 2, 4, 6, 7, 9. First you should add these numbers. Sum of these numbers 2, 4, 6 plus 7 plus 9. 2 plus 4, 6, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 9, 28. 28. And total number of the number in a group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are the 5 numbers in the group divided by the 5. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 3 ja. Mean is 5.3. I will record as the 5.3 and take one example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And first we should add these numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21 divided by 6. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja, 6 4 equal to 3.4. Mean is 3.4. And what is the definition of the mean is nothing but we simply say that the sum of the numbers in a group, the sum of the numbers in a group and divided by the total number of numbers in a group is called as the mean. What is the definition of the mean? We can simply say that the sum of the numbers in a group and divided by the total number of the numbers in a group is called as the mean. Take for example, another one example 2, 4, 6 and 4. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. But first you should add these numbers. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 4 16. Total number of the groups is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the 4 4 ja. And the formula for the mean is sum of the numbers in the group divided by the total numbers in a group. Already given the example. Example 2, 4, 6, 4. You should add the first given numbers. After divided by the how many numbers are in the group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 by 4 equal to 4. Now we can discuss about the median. Median also called as the middle. What is the definition of the median? Median is a nothing but in a given numbers which indicates the middle term or the middle value is called as the median. Is called as the median. In a given number which indicates the middle value or middle term, we say that it is a mean, it is a median, it is a median. Take for example 2, 8, 4, 6 and 5, and first you should make in the ascending order. In the ascending order. First you should make in the ascending order. Which is the smallest number? 2, 4, again 5, again 6, last 8. Which is the middle value? Which is the middle value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are the 5 numbers. In the 5 numbers, this is the middle term. 5 is the middle term. We call as this is the median. This is the median. What is the definition of the median? In a given numbers which indicates the middle value or the middle term, then you can say that it is a median. Example for this, already given the example. And next you can say about the, what do you mean by the mode? Mode, definition of the mode. Definition of the mode. What do you mean by the mode? It is also one of the most important in the data handling. What do you mean by the mode? Mode is nothing but in a numbers, the number which is the frequently repeated. In a given numbers, the number which is frequently repeated, that is the number is called as the mode. What do you mean by the mode? In a given numbers, the number which repeated frequently, then we can say that, then the number you say that then the number we call as mode. Then the number we call as the mode. Take for example, there are some numbers we written. There are the numbers we written in the group in the board. What is the definition of the mode? In a given numbers, the number which is repeated frequently. The number which is repeated frequently. And see the numbers. 1. How many times the 1 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 1 is repeated 5 times. And then you can see about the second number. 2. 1, 2. The number 2 is repeated twice, 2 times. And then we say about the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 number is repeated 4 times. Then we say about 9. 1, the number is repeated only once. And then we say about the 4. 1, 2. 4 is repeated twice. In the given numbers, 1 is repeated 5 times. Then the mode is called in the given numbers mode is that the mode is 1. Mode is 1. In a given numbers, the number which is at frequency, then we say that the number is called as the mode. I think you understand this mode definition and the example for the mode. And then we come across the definition of the range. Range, it is the last method in the data handling. Range. What is the definition of the range? Range is nothing but the difference between the highest observation and the lowest observation, or the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. What is the definition of the range? Range is defined as highest observation range is defined as highest observation the range is defined as the highest observation and the lowest observation. And example for the range is example. If you get some numbers 9, 4, 3, 8, 1, 4. We are given the some 6 numbers. What is the definition of the range? Range is highest minus lowest. Highest minus lowest. Highest in the given numbers is 9 is the highest, and the lowest is 1. Lowest is in the given numbers, lowest is the 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. What is the definition of the range? Range is nothing but the highest score minus the lowest score. And in today's class we learned about what is mean by the data handling, and what is the mean by the collecting the data, and what is the mean by the organization of the data. We have learned what is mean by mean, mode, median, and the range. In the next class we will continue the first exercise. Thank you.